silence, my lord, and my learned friend Mr. Sankalp Narayan.
Because I'm appearing for the plan number 3.
For the bishop, my lord. Lord, this, my lord, concerns the Lamartinian school, my lord. Your lordships are well aware, my lord, that the school, my lord,
may I be
is nearly...
mentioned.
Let me check whether anybody
The mentioning for it.
respondents who are appearing.
My lord, it is the KMC, my lord, who is there, my lord. They have been served, my lord. Is my instructions, my lord.
Municipal Corporation. But
And
Heritage Commissioner who is appearing.
I'm for the Heritage Commission.
You are for the Heritage Commission. Yes.
now, your lordship, my kindly note, my lord, 2-3 things are very important, my lord. The first thing is, my lord, that this is, my lord, a school which was established in the year 1832. About, my lord, 200 years, my lord, have gone by, my lord. And your lordships, my lord, are also well aware, my lord, that the construction that time, my lord, was on beams and barogas, my lord. The barogas, my lord, are made of Burma teak, my lord, and the beams, etc., are also made of Burma teak with, my lord, the tiling of, and there were, my lord, the tiles. The tiles are like the hot.
But
like
this order was passed on 22nd of May.
Correct, my lord. Correct, my lord. Now, my lord, 21st, a tragedy, my lord. 21st, a tragedy was averted, my lord. If your lordship may kindly see, my lord, because this is more because of the inaction of the Heritage Committee and the KMC. If your lordship kindly sees...
Yes, let me check from the Heritage Commissioner. Last in the single bench, they were not appearing.
So single bench,
on the same premises. That is the one is pending before my Lord Justice Aniruddha Rai, and that is under hearing. If my Lord was interfered with this order, then that application will become infructuous.
So the roofs have only prayed for the
that will devise the entire all 4 applications.
Nothing will happen, my lord. Lordship may kindly note, my lord, that what
representation pending.
No
representation
is pending.
No representation pending.
School authority has represented Heritage Commission.
Yes.
That has been considered.
Lamartine school.
On the grade 1. Not the duty of the Heritage.
No, that is not the subject matter of the vacation bench also.
Yes.
No application, no representation before the Heritage Commission is pending.
Lord, there was a representation, my lord, and my lord, there was a meeting.
One thing.
Yes.
In that matter, my lord, I appeared for the state, and my learned friend appeared for the Lamartine school. Two matters already direct. Two matters, my lord, already heard, and affidavit direction was there, and committee was directed. If any representation, they take a decision. My lord, that matter, my lord, possibly, my lord, it will be listed in the month of June 21st or 26th. I do not know. I'm not remembering that. But order two matters, but same order may be passed and may be placed because it's the Lamartine same school.
Lord, may I just show the urgency, my lord? Otherwise, we will not have troubled your lordship, my lord, during the vacation, my lord.
I'm sorry, my lord, I have interrupted, but that is the.
So that's why I just wanted to place my case, my lord.
Accordingly, there shall be an order of injunction restraining the petitioners. Restraining the petitioners not to carry out any work of repairing.
Yes, that was the order.
Or any civil work of whatsoever nature at the subject heritage premises without consultation with the appropriate authority of KMC and without proper verification till the next hearing.
And that has not been, nothing has done, my lord. We have not added anything, my lord. We have not added anything. Now, your lordship may kindly see, my lord, I will, my lord, because, my lord, what is important today for this court, my lord, is my lord, to understand as to the safety of the children. The first and foremost thing which will be in the mind of your lordship would be only one, my lord, and that is, my lord, the prime important thing is, are the children safe as they should be in a school? Yes or no today? Between the school, my lord, and the Heritage Committee, my lord, and the KMC, my lord.
Before the single bench, when you approached.
Yes, my lord.
So,
now, That writ petition, my lord, was filed on 19th of May.
Mr. Rauf, you cannot change it's not even a week. 22nd of May, the order was passed.
Correct, my lord.
Presented over there. There is a specific order over there. Now you change totally the color of the contention before this court now in appeal.
Your lordship may kindly, my lord, just appreciate the contention for 2 minutes, my lord. My lord, when the order was passed, my lord, a part of it is that there is a meeting, my lord, between the authorities, my lord, and us, which is, my lord, taking place in March. And we, my lord, say that during the meeting that we are supposed to give a proposal. Now the proposal includes, my lord, tiling, etc. This is a running school with more than about 2,500 students on each side, my lord, the girls' school and the boys' school. So the wear and tear is more, my lord. There may be, my lord, tiles which are slippery, my lord, staircases which are possibly broken or cracked up, air conditioners, my lord, which are required to be, my lord, giving some sort of a support lest they fall.
Very good. But this is an appeal court.
Correct,
Now,
my lord.
these contentions were there before the learned single judge.
They were there. Your lordship may kindly see, my lord, my writ petition is in a separate copy, my lord. And I had said, my lord, my prayer in the writ petition, which was filed on 19th, my lord, of May, is that, my lord, that there are cracks appearing in the building, the students are at risk, and despite submitting proposal in terms of the requirements set out in the meeting, which was on the 25th of March, there is a quiet and no response from the authorities. So the authorities from 25th of March are quiet with finger on the lips, a part. Now, during the interregnum, what happens is an area of about 300 square feet falls. And this is 1 day prior to the impugned order. And
when did it fall? When did it fall?
Just about the evening before the impugned order. 21st of May.
21st of May.
So this was not brought to the notice of the learned single judge.
Brought.
Millard, it was unfortunately not brought to the notice of the learned single judge that, look, this tragedy has occurred maybe about 10-12 hours before. And this is very, very important, my lord. Your lordship may envisage a situation that had a child been there, my lord.
Wait.
No, page, Mr. Lordship.
Just 1 minute, sir.
Yes, I'm so sorry.
Theoretically decide everything. So you were not present on 22nd of May. Ask your wait. There are many cases pending. But children have to survive, sir. If they say that the ceiling is falling upon since there are the vacations are going on, what you do is that representative from Heritage Commission, KMC, and an advocate or representative of La Martiniere School for Boys and Girls will visit. According to the urgency, you submit a report on 5th time keeping the matter.
But kindly make it clear, my lord. The matters pending.
I'm not going into the litigation.
But
sir.
your lordship kindly make it clear, my lord.
There is a larger interest involved over here. There is a larger interest because either you allow the school to run or you don't allow the school to run.
School is running.
So what I am proposing is that representative from the petitioner, representative from the Heritage Commission, representative from the Kolkata Municipal Corporation will visit the site and will submit a report before this court on 5th. 5th, we are keeping the matter before the division bench. Division bench thereafter will take a decision. Only on the issue whether a part of the roof has fallen or not.
But your lordship kindly make.
They have not mentioned which
Lord,
part.
also, my lord, only one request, my lord.
Price of this order.
I have not
Lord,
replied.
only one request, my lord. One very humble request, my lord. My lord, the structure at different places, my lord. Your lordships are well aware, my lord. Old buildings in Calcutta, my lord. Sometimes they need
whole of the matter we can't consider in vacation bench, Mr. Rao.
No, yes.
Only the urgency part I will.
Other matters are pending.
only the urgency part which you have raised, only that urgency.
Whether that urgency is at all
Look,
there or not.
This is why I'm
Yes,
doing
yes,
an
yes.
inspection by the respective authorities.
Lord, can they most humbly, my lord, may I request, my lord?
My lord, that's a very incorrect submission, my lord. We have not touched the building.
Whatever it is, sir. Sir,
That has been stayed.
this is a date where you are supposed to submit a report. Number one, all of you go with your representative, submit a report since a submission has been advanced. See, the school will have to run after the summer vacations. There are students over there.
Truthness of the Milord, the submissions made by. And Milord, I'm appearing for the state because I
My lord,
already
state
appeared.
has not
Your
been
Lordship
made a
desire, I
party
can appear here.
in the present appeal. State has not been made a party.
The later dated 8th of February 2025. What is the outcome? With reference to the communication of later dated 11/24 on the Reverend Purito Scanning, Bishop and Calcutta President Board of Governors, Law Materials to Calcutta, West Bengal Heritage Commission advises the school authority not
Let us
to
sleep, Devendra.
insist on the request of delisting the school and the school will have six historical and
So
architectural
that's a separate matter, my lord. That's a separate matter.
heritage innovation may be mutually considered between the school authorities.
When it will be considered, sir?
Exactly what we thought.
When it will be considered? After the students, after the academic session,
You also fix a date by that time.
on 5th, you submit a report before the regular division bench who is sitting.
Lord, the representation, my lord, the collapse is at the annexure X, my lord. Lord, the roof collapse, my lord, is mentioned, my lord, as annexure X to the appeal memo, my lord, page 122, my lord. And the photographs have been annexed, my lord.
Mr. Rauf, learned advocate 8, appearing on behalf of the appellant.
180.
On behalf of the appellant, submit that a part of the roof of the building has collapsed to that effect. The enclosures
Yes.
to the writ petition has been
Page 122.
heard.
Page 122, my lord.
Acha. According to the learned counsel, such incident took place on 21st of May 2025. Full stop. Since the building is a heritage building, the petitioners are unable to take steps. There are full stop. Next paragraph. There are a number of litigations pending intercede the parties. Learned advocate 8 for the Kolkata Municipal Corporation as well as the Heritage Commission is present. Acha. As the appeal was taken up on an urgent basis, considering the schools would reopen and in the meantime, repair work is necessary. We direct that an inspection be first carried out by the representative of the petitioners. These are all organizations. So 3 petitioners are there.
Hello, there are 3 petitioners.
Acha. Which building it happened? All the building.
My lord, I believe it is the boys' school, my lord.
One for
So
the
that's in all the buildings.
My lord,
boys
it's in
and
the
girls, lordship.
Maybe one part of one building. That is why I want the inspection. Acha, the representative from each of the petition, one representative from each of the petitioners. KMC will have at least 2 executive engineers. You are the main persons. KMC would be represented by 2 executive engineers. The Heritage Commission may be represented by its authorized representative as it deems fit and proper.
Do it. Yeah, can.
If the urgency of the
Listen,
situation so
Prabhu,
calls for, KMC and the Heritage Commission will not wait for any court order. However, a report may be submitted by the Kolkata Municipal Corporation as well as the Heritage Commission. To bracket he did him respondent number 1 and respondent number 6. Executive দুজনকে বলেছি
I think
নাহলে ওরাই তো মেন করবে
four possibly would be Milord, the Director General, Milord. Heritage.
One and 6. Executive engineer টা ব্র্যাকেটে 5 করে দেবে
number 5 আছে executive engineer
আচ্ছা the
Corporation
your chief executive engineer will you give a representation of the time. Venue is fixed. So it's only the time which is important.
Kindly make it clear. But kindly
That
make,
usually has to be agreed, sir.
Your lordships are making it for the 5th, Milord. They can come on Monday, Milord. Monday is the 2nd. So that your lordship, there's no time wasted, Milord.
So you have been waiting for such a long time.
your lordship kindly make it clear, Milord. This order has no bearing with the Milord, the order passed by the lancing judge. Lordship, kindly make it clear.
Achha. How are you going to fix the time and date?
Lordship may have it after 11 to 1, anytime, any day. Monday is a good day, Milord. The week begins on Monday, Milord.
On Monday, get the inspection done. Saturday, Sunday, government officers are not there. Achha. Let such inspection be carried out between 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. on on 2nd of June 2025. A report be submitted before this court, both by the Kolkata Municipal Corporation and the Heritage Commissioner on foot. On 5th of March 2025, will appear
5th of June, Milord.
the vacation bench having determination. You require police assistance. Police assistance is required.
not required, my lord.
Yes, KMC police assistance is required. Police assistance is required.
No, my lord.
Milord, only one thing, Milord, there's an empaneled architect, Milord, of the KMC. His name is, Milord, Partha Ranjan Das of the KMC. Let him also be there, Milord. Because, Milord, then we'll have a Milord.
We can't.
I see. I leave it to your lordship's wisdom, Milord. I leave it there.
আরেকটা খালি বলে দিন রাজনীতি নিয়ে সেটা আলাদা করে করা দরকার ঠিক আছে
In case your lordship feel, Milord, that there are other areas, Milord.
We have said we have taken up the matter on urgent basis.
No,
Since
but your lordship kindly make it clear. Otherwise, this may be Milord, the address before the single being.
This is a very unfortunate statement.
This matter will again come up.
That's right. That
Yes.
Those
Those are different litigations which have got nothing to do with this cause of action. I don't understand why.
Because there is a submission that a part of the ceiling has collapsed. And this is the reason.
my submission may be recorded that already 2 matters are pending before the land single judge. Direction for affidavit.
At the time of hearing, we have called only an inspection report, sir.
And Lord, the state has not been party here. Other two
made a part.
said, Lordship, kindly, Milord, kindly allow them to.
Leave is granted. Leave is granted aid to the petitioners to add the state of West Bengal.
And a copy be served upon me, Milord.
And a copy of the memorandum of appeal along with the stay application be served on the office of the government leader.
No, Milord, I am already appearing because I have already appeared.
Upon Minister Energy.
Milord, this only one thing, Milord, in the interest of justice, Milord, and just to secure the lives of the children, Milord, is it required, Milord, that the report come on Milord in a sealed cover, Milord? If they share the report, Milord, we'll be in a better position, Milord, to address your lordship, Milord. On this sealed cover business, Milord, I feel, Milord, that's my humble submission. If they give it to us, Milord, we'll be in a better position to address your lordship.
Court has asked the report. How the report will be supplied in advance?
Milord, I think my learned friend here, Milord, if the roof was collapsing here, Milord, he would not be sitting and arguing like that.
No. On 5th, your submissions will be
Thank you,
heard
sir.
next
Thank
on
you.
fifth.
Greatly obliged. Much obliged, my lord, for your lordship's time and order and indulgence. Greatly obliged.
Like mentioning the meaning.
Grateful, my lords. Much obliged.
Before taking up the appellate side matters, with great grave urgency and my lord, the grave situation, my lord may recall, my lord, I am taking leave from my lord Mrs. Day, but I'm mentioning before your lordship. Lord, your lordship may recall the Degra matters, Majar, your lordship is allowed. Thereafter, my lord, murder, everything has taken place. Your lordship knows that. A matter was disposed of by your lordship on 23rd May. This is last day of vacation. It is Joseph within last day of vacation. There are, I do not know whether the submission was made or not before your lordship. And there are civil dispute between the trustee means Haldar and their members of a Rokha Kali Pujo, and there are Dharmaraj Pujo and Sitala. Dharmaraj Pujo was actually is organized or is done by some villagers. This is their own puja, and unless Dharmaraj puja is complete, the Rokha Kali's mud and everything will not be given, because one night puja. Yesterday, my lord, but I have not appeared in this matter. Yesterday, my lord, all officers are here also. Additional SP, so all officers are here also before your lordship today. But my lordship kindly see whether my lord, your lordship kindly seat my lord at any time 3:34. But I will come up with an application, because one clarification is required.
What? The matter was, I remember the matter was on the land of the petitioner. This construction.
That was not addressed properly. My lord, I do not know. I'm not blaming anybody.
And the report was that I remember clearly.
Yes,
That
report.
on the Panchayat road.
Yes, report. My lord,
The
I said to the additional SP kindly instruct.
Not seats in vacation like that, because these benches are assigned by the honorable chief
My lord,
justice.
this is my lord, my humble
You can go to the single bench for modification. I cannot-
modification. My lord, tomorrow is the program. Tomorrow is the program. Or your lordship kindly, my lord,
What are you wanting?
my lord, I want the ritual ceremonies, ritual ingredients. Those who are maintaining last 500 years, 250 years, let them do. Nobody should be restrained to anybody. But villagers, they will perform the Dharmaraj Puja.
No,
See
I am not on that. Are you wanting to move a modification application or an appeal?
Mula?
What are you
I am
wanting?
not appeal. I have taken leave from my license day.
Single bench.
Single bench.
bench, regular single bench is
Now, regular single bench, tomorrow is the
go and take leave
disposed
before
of
the
matter.
regular today the single bench which is there, go over there. I cannot take up this matter.
But since the matter has been disposed of, that's why I have come up.
I cannot do anything, sir, because I don't have.
Because I have to prepare a fresh petition then.
I don't have a determination today. I cannot.
No determination. I know that. I know that. But your lordship, kindly, my lord, kindly instruct in the open court. I will tell them. DSP also, my lord, your lordship has directed DSP to ensure that there is no breach of peace. Your lordship, kindly make it clear. The all performance.
I cannot do anything, sir, because I don't have the determination as on date.
No determination. But if your lordship is in charge, your lordship can see it, my lord.
I cannot see that. Also, the permission of the honorable chief justice is required, because the determination today of that bench is with a learned single judge who is sitting today. The writ matters are before a learned single judge.
The disposed of matter, my lord. How can I make application, my lord, for review or recalling?
To get an assignment, sir, I will sit. I have no issue. I'm there till 4 o'clock.
Assignment. Then your lordship kindly sit it at 4 or 4:30.
That you taken fast. Assignment is required. Otherwise, I will not be able to sit, sir. Or the regular bench is there, whatever.
No regular bench, my lord, because your lordship has been pleased to dispose of the matter. But that was not advanced before your lordship. That's why, my lord, I am in difficulty. Well, I'm sorry, my lord, Justice Day, my lord, I have taken leave from.
Yes.
But I'm trying my level best.
My lord, I am renewing my mentioning, my lord. And my lord, there is one more difficulty, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, the single bench has refused my mentioning for my lord urgent taking up the matter, my lord, because 3 of my memberships have been cancelled, my lord, in the Burdwan District Bus Association, my lord. And my lord,
What are you wanting to
I
prefer?
got leave to move the matter on the 3rd, my lord.
So have you got the memo of appeal prepared?
My lord, this is a single bench matter. The
So how can you make it prepared? They will.
my lord,
Leave has to be granted.
this is the first time motion stage, my lord. My lord, I want to move before the single bench. If you have the single bench,
Single bench, the concerned bench will grant leave.
My
Sir.
lord,
We can give only in a.
my lord, may I be
But it is-
permitted to file this application without an order of the tribunal, my lord. 27th of May, I have been transferred from Kolkata to New Alipurduar, my lord. 700 kilometers. My basic allegation is that one person who is there, my lord, I have raised allegation against one person who cannot be there in the transfer committee, my lord. That committee cannot, my lord. My tribunal is not in session.
When was the order passed?
27th of May, release order has been given, my lord.
The order was passed.
20 order was passed on 7th of May. Thereafter, my lord, we have made representation to consider the transfer order because I have raised an objection against one person who cannot be there in the transfer committee. He cannot be there, my lord. My lord, there are one more thing, my lord. There are policies in the state of West Bengal, my lord.
Whatever it is, you give an undertaking that you will give a copy. On oral, we cannot pass an order.
My lord, just kindly, my lord, grant leave, my lord.
Granting leave. We are granting leave subject to that you give an undertaking when the matter is moved. The copy would be placed before the court.
My lord, copy, my lord, there is the tribunal is not there, my lord. Tribunal is having summer vacation, my lord. That is why I am before the jurisdictional court, my lord. No, I have not filed it before the tribunal. My lord, tribunal in summer vacation, my lord, tribunal is not functioning, my lord. There are orders, my lord. My lord, if the tribunal is not functioning, division bench order Supreme Court 2020 volume 6. My lord, if the tribunal is not operational or functioning, the appropriate quorum litigant has a right to approach the jurisdictional high court under Article 226. My lord, this is the jurisdictional court. Today, tribunal is not there. I cannot be remediless, my lord. Tribunal is going summer vacation, my lord. Well, that is why I want a leave to file it without order, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, department will not allow. Paragraph number 39. My lord, this is the order, my lord. Of 392. আমাকে কপিটা দাও একটা। Paragraph 392, my lord. Litigants cannot wait for the judicial. আর আরেকটা কপি আছে, my lord. I just have.
That is when there is no tribunal.
My lord, it is non-functional, non-functional, my lord.
Summer vacation going on, so you've got.
My lord, tribunal is not sitting, my lord.
The High Court is also not sitting regularly. Go before
My lord,
the
leave may
Supreme
be granted, my lord. I will satisfy, my lord, on this point, my lord.
Tomorrow High Court will not sit. Go before the Supreme
My lord,
Court.
I have to take assignment before the Chief Justice, my lord. Tribunal, my lord, your lordship knows, my lord, tribunal is not having even a chairperson. Officiating chairperson is running. That also, my lord, in the summer vacation. My lord, kindly grant the leave. If I cannot satisfy, my lord, I will not get an order. My lord, kindly grant a leave, my lord. Are কোন প্যারাগ্রাফ নাম্বারটা কত?
Your release order there enclosed. Your release order is enclosed.
Yes. My lord, it is there, my lord. It is at.
All right, grant the release order is enclosed.
Yes. It is annexed. Leave may be granted without order of a tribunal. Without order of a tribunal. ওটা না লিখলে হবে, filing department নেবে না।
Leave without the certified copy.
Yes. Regarding?
No, here. Single bench.
So,
Single bench is passed the order on
when
20th.
server copy is available.
Annexed.
When?
Well, 20th of this month, the order was passed, and the
Need to file one appeal. Along with the stay application.
Urgency is there.
No, my lord.
No,
It is very urgent, my lord. On the third, my lord.
My lord, may I see your lordship's leave to move this matter on an urgent basis, my lord? The urgency is that we have filed this writ petition against refusal of an interim order by the tribunal. Tribunal was sitting singly. The matter ought to have been heard by a division bench. There's a jurisdictional issue as well. There are 3 matters, my lord, arising out of a common order.
What is the outcome? Urgency.
But the urgency is that my release order has been issued on 19th May, and I'm basically in a state of doldrums. And
Which tribunal is yours and which tribunal is his?
when the tribunal is Central Administrative Tribunal, my lord.
Central Administrative.
They have refused interim protection against the promotion come posting order. I'm aggrieved by that promotion come posting order. They have refused interim protection. Sitting singly, my lord.
When you have been asked to join?
19th May order has been passed, and on 19th May itself I have been asked to go. I have leave my current station in Kolaikunda and join my. Kindly grants me leave, my lord. My lord,
What is left?
My lord,
19th and 19th.
under some interim protection, my lord, on 3rd we'll come and we shall try to impress upon the bench, my lord.
Your date has passed, 19th and 19th.
My lord, the primary issue is that the honorable member perhaps did not have jurisdiction to sit over that matter.
It's a question of law.
There is
It's a question of law.
no, my lord, is ex facie. My lord, the rules don't allow. If the parties make a request that the matter has to be placed before a division bench, the single bench has to place it before a division bench, as per rules of practice. Grateful, my lord. There are 3 matters, my lord. Analogous, same, arising out of a same order.
May I have my lord's leave to file an appeal, my lord, without certified copy of the order, my lord.
When was the order passed?
19th of May, my lord.
Yeah,
My lord, may I seek my lord's leave, my lord, to file this, my lord, since regular filing is not done during the vacation, my lord. And this is a regular filing, my lord, challenging the order of the Land Reforms Tribunal, my lord. The matter has.
It has approached forward.
Yes, ma'am, for the state.
It has
physical filing, my lord. Matter to appear, my lord, before the regular bench, my lord.
Why are you filing now? Time period will be over.
Yes, my lord. Great.
Regular bench করে দেবেন ওটা, হ্যাঁ?
My lord, physical filing, my lord. Great.
Please, police. Yes,
Appellate side, item 1.
I am for the respondent municipality. I beg to appear on behalf of the appellant.
Why have you kept it? This is at 12:45 p.m.
My lord.
The hearing fixed at 12:45 p.m.
Yes, my lord. That matter. Now hearing has been deferred. Tomorrow is the date is fixed. For a day.
For a day only.
For a day. My lord, when my lord.
Defer it till the court reopens.
Well, our difficulty, the single judge passed the order on 4th of April. There was a direction to conclude the proceeding within 2 months.
All right.
June is the expiring date.
Whatever is the outcome, no adverse.
But I have brought judgment, my lord.
No adverse steps to be taken against the.
Let him appear in the hearing.
My lord, my lord, what happened, my lord, in the event of any direction is passed by the, my lord, the single judge, when appeal is pending, there are number of judgment where, my lord, there is direction. Writ court must be slow, contempt court must be slow. I have brought all these judgment. I can show, my lord, the threat of contempt is not, my lord.
Sir, they are only, you will not participate in hearing.
No, my lord, at the same time, I have challenged it, my lord, for few days, my lord, 15, 20 days or after reopening, they have decided to fix it on 30th. They will pass order. My lord, it's an appealable order under section 218. In the event I lose, I can go there.
These are all events.
Yes, my lord.
And
at the same time, my lord, our humble submission, my lord, they should send all the document, including demolition sketch, précis. Otherwise,
you do it.
Kindly defer this hearing.
Do it on 9th.
My lord.
Do the hearing. Postpone the hearing on 9th.
No, well, some more time may kindly be given. My lord, we have to mention it. My lord, list it. It may be
online.
My lord, it may be a 50 square feet unauthorized construction. Instead of 9, my lord, 15.
9.
My lord, lordship is not so rigid, my lord.
Sir, first of all, we are not entering into the merits of the.
True, my lord.
Number 1. Number 2, hearing. You are much more worried about the outcome of the hearing.
Yes, my lord. Because
we do not know the outcome of.
Because in haste, my lord, they are doing all these things.
We are only on your apprehension.
Lordship.
I'm just giving a direction. Let the courts be open, regular courts. Thereafter, if anything happens, you can.
My lord, this is my lord the direction of this honorable court. Our humble submission. We are beseeching another 6-7 days may kindly be added. My learned friend would not stand on the way, my lord. Possibly.
So that is not his job to do. Also, his job is to oppose.
Lordship. Kindly fix it in another date instead of 9.
No, 9th.
It will be too early, my lord.
My
lord, too hectic. It will be too hectic. We have to mention it, fix it, and doing all these things.
No, all these things I am just postponing. You will have an avenue then.
Lords.
Now today you don't have an avenue. That is the only subject matter.
At least, my lord, in the end of the day, lordship pay certain heed to us, my lord. That a signal to my client, my lord. That may kindly be.
Achha, where is that document you showed last week? That
lordship will find, my lord, the document.
Have you enclosed that?
No. Subsequently, after filing this appeal, they have issued this notice.
Learned advocate appearing in for the appellant
But it is with my learned friend, my lord.
submits that the municipality, the HON'BLE Chinsura municipality has fixed the date for hearing initially on 38th May 2025, and thereafter the same was deferred to 31st of May 2025. Since the municipality is conducting the hearing at a time when the High Courts are in vacation, another appeal is pending.
Yes, my lord. Appeal is
And
pending.
an appeal is
This appeal.
This appeal.
the only writ petition pending.
No.
Petition was disposed of. We have been directed to conclude the proceeding within 8 weeks. Challenging that order, he has preferred this appeal, the present appeal.
During the pendency of appeal, they have decided to hear this matter on
Where
30th.
is the pendency of appeal?
Here,
This appeal was filed before vacation.
before vacation, I
Last
have
day
filed.
it was mentioned before your lordship. Now it is appearing before your lordship.
Lordship, kindly see 631 of 2025.
And an appeal has been referred against the order passed by the learned single judge, which according to the learned advocate 8 for the appellant is scheduled to appear before the regular appeal court in due course. Petitioner apprehends that the municipality may take harsh steps immediately after passing the order. Stop. Since an apprehension has been expressed by the appellant, the municipality is directed to postpone the hearing on 9th of June 2025, when the regular court resumes after summer vacation, after the summer vacation.
No, my lord, my humble submission, my lord.
The appeal, release the appeal before the regular bench.
Yes, my lord.
10th of June 2025.
But in the event, my lord, 9th is fixed for hearing, 10th, my lord.
Then the matter will appear before the regular bench, sir. You.
So 9th is a date for hearing. Whether hearing is required or not, that to be decided by the division bench. Because we have challenged the order of the Honorable Writ Court.
So
That is why kindly fix it 11, my lord. 10th, my lord, kindly be listed before the division bench. Subject to correction, my lord. 10th may be, my lord, the division bench.
The other lawyers earn also, sir.
Lords.
Lords.
Get
Item 2.
Item 2, my lord.
I am for the.
My lord, in this matter, I beg to appear on behalf of the
Lordship, Mr.
respondent number
Shobhit
8,
Alvarez appeared.
KMDA. My lord, I beg to appear on behalf of the KMDA, respondent number 8.
Lord, I am for the appellant. Urgency is, my lord, that on 22nd of May, the Honorable Single Bench, my lord, has fixed that hearing on 12th of June 2025 without extending interim order, which is till 31st of May. My lord, they will demolish my structure. They will, my lord, take it.
My lord, I am for the state. I am submitting the police report, my lord. I am for the state.
My lord, here, Lordship will kindly, if my learned friend has finishes, my lord, I have some submissions. Lordship, kindly bear me.
Kindly come to the impugned order. It is at page 109. The 11th portion is 110, fourth paragraph.
দিয়ে দাও, নাম দিয়ে দাও। এইটা
পুলিশ রিপোর্ট আছে ওই
interim Well, 109 impugn order starts, my relevant portion is my lord 110. Fourth paragraph, having heard the learned counsel for the parties, it appears to me that the interim order cannot be extended in view of huge objection and without disposal of the application being made against the interim order, that is vacating application. And my lord, on the last page, my lord, the honorable judge has fixed, my lord, accordingly, I peremptorily fixed the matter on 12th of June 2025. When, my lord, the interim order is still, my lord, 31st of May. That order, my lord, you will find it is at page 107. When, my lord, the applications were fixed on 21st of April and the interim order is, my lord, till end of May. My lord, page 107, last paragraph. The interim order extended last on November 25, 2024 stand further extended till May 25 or until further over. Therefore, interim order is till May 31.
So it is there already till 31st of May.
Yes, 31st of May. Well, matter has been
kindly
fixed
see
on
the
12th of
report.
June.
The report again.
Matter has been fixed on 12th of June. Therefore, my lord,
My lord, here, Lordship will kindly allow me.
আরেকটা দেবেন
threat of disposition and my lord, demolition. And I am my lord, relying upon it. First interim order which was granted, my lord, it at page 99.
So you are protected. Any action taken by the
By the petitioner. Any action by the will be avoid. My lord, if they demolish the property, what will be abide by the result? My lord, kindly see the first interim order which was granted. It is at page 99. My lord, the relevant portion is at page, my lord, 102.
blood
102, my lord, kindly see. Both the petitioners and the KMDA claim that they are in possession of the late status quo as regard possession and the nature of the property in question. And there is a threat of demolition, my lord, that is at page 46 and 47.
So the land has been acquired already.
My lord, my real lordship,
That has lapsed, but by operation of law, that has lapsed.
that's why you are
I am relying upon the larger bench decision of our High Court, my lord. So
then it should be hard, my lord. It should
and
be
my
hard
lord,
on
I
appeal.
am also relying upon the Supreme Court decision, my lord, five judges benches, which says, my lord, without hearing the beneficiary enjoying the interim order cannot be vacated.
You were not present on that date.
My lord, all the parties were present.
So then without hearing the beneficiary, you are the beneficiary.
Yes.
Then
Therefore, without hearing me.
How without hearing you?
My lord, the applications, my lord, kindly see the impugned order. Applications had not been disposed of. Applications are kept pending.
The applications are.
Application has been fixed for hearing on 12th of June. Application as well as the main writ petition has been fixed for hearing.
It has been exchanged.
But if in the meantime, during my lord 1st of June to 12th of June, they demolish, what will happen? My lord, I shall suffer. My lord, kindly consider.
We don't have any instructions today, my lord.
My lord, kindly consider this.
Lordship will kindly bear me for
No.
My lord, regarding threat of demolition, it at page 46 and 47, which has been stayed. My lord, I am only, my lord, anxious during 1st of June to 12th of June. My lord, kindly consider the threat of disposition and demolition is under challenge in the writ petition. My lord, kindly come to page 46. What is under challenge in the writ petition?
Larger public interest is.
My lord, did not apply.
Consider, my lord, that has been injuncted. My lord, kindly consider my lord, kindly see the order dated, my lord. It has been passed, my lord, on it is page 99, 4th of February 2021. And on the relevant portion, the order was relating status quo as regard possession and nature and character. My lord, kindly come to page 108. Page 108. No, my lord, not 108. My lord, kindly consider. It is, my lord, page 102. Both the petitioners and KMDA claims they are in possession. Land in question. Late status quo as regard possession and nature and nature of the property. My lord, what is the nature? My lord will find it from their letter. From their letter, it is at page, my lord, which is under challenge.
But your lordship kindly see page 102.
Lordship will kindly hear me after my learned friend has finishes.
But both the petitioner
There are many things
MTA
to
claim
be.
that they are to their
Possession, my lord,
possession of the land in
the
question.
nature and character. My lord, kindly
Status quo
consider.
as
Kindly come
regards
to page.
possession and nature of the property in
Yes,
question.
nature of the property. My
Then
structure is there. my
how he
boundary
will
is
be
there.
allowed to construct the boundary wall?
Not making construction, it is already there. My lord, kindly come to page 46
No,
and
who will
47.
who will
My
certify?
lord, page 46 and
That is a
47.
question of fact.
My lord, page 46. There is a threat of demolition of that.
My lord, may I?
My lord, I am
This
placing.
has to be
My lord,
clarified by the
shall
land
place,
civil
my
judge.
lord, 2-3 points.
My lord, may I make submission? My
My
lord?
lord, kindly come to page 46.
I will not say 102
Yes.
is an innocuous order.
Innocuous order.
Regarding character, nature and character of the property.
No character.
No.
Yes,
it has
character
no
is there.
Possession and nature.
possession and nature.
Nature.
Yeah.
Nature means, my lord,
Possession and nature.
nature. Nature means, my lord, what is there, that will be there.
That is what I understand from you.
But my lord, they will demolish it. My lord, kindly come to page 46. They have instructed the officer in charge to demolish
Go
the
to civil
structure.
court.
Where is that?
My lord, page 46. It is under these notices, 2 notices, 46 and
When have
46.
you constructed that?
No. I
That
am
is also pending with the civil court, as I am told.
making any construction. I shall show another order, my lord, of this court. My lord, last. So I would therefore request you on your behalf, such and such, steps with demolition of all structure immediately. Therefore, threat of demolition is there.
Civil court. Who is civil court is in Sicily?
The civil court, yes. Session of the matter, I am told, kindly see. Illegal encroachment.
Page.
With 46, my land friend has relied upon. Kindly subject. Illegal
this is under
encroachment of
challenge in
KMDA
this
land.
petition.
My
These
lord,
two
here, if
46 and 47.
KMDA. Is also a court case.
Encroachment and recovery, whatever it may be, that should be decided by the civil court.
No, this is matter acquisition and proceeding. Therefore, it will be decided by this court. And not only that, my lord, I shall show your lordships another order in this matter, in single bench matter. Therefore, threat of demolition is there. Threat of demolition is there, which is required to be, my lord, protected.
Go to the police.
my lord, my lord, may I submit one
My lord,
thing?
no, Mr. Talukdar, please. My lord, therefore, threat of
Yes, you have made your submission. Allow us to make submission.
now, my lord, kindly come to page 103.
Now I happy.
করতে গেলে এখন যদি একটা সময় ধরে আমাদের
Now, my lord, kindly come to page 103. Now, my- now, my lord, kindly come to page 103. My lord,
There is a violation.
no, no, my
Lordship,
lord, kindly come to page 103. My lord,
Lordship, may I,
103.
Lordship, may I,
103. My lord, kindly come to page 103. My lord, kindly allow me. My lord, I have handed over, my lord, the page 103. My lord, kindly see. My lord, no, my lord, kindly.
You cannot dictate me, sir.
No, I am
Don't
humbly
behave
praying.
like that with me.
My lord, I mean,
No,
I
no,
am
me,
praying.
what?
I am
What
humbly-
are you dictating me? I cannot do like this.
My lord,
Don't teach me how to do what.
my lord, humbly
Order
praying.
me.
My lord, I am humbly
Order me.
praying.
আমি বলছি order me.
My lord, I am humbly praying before your lordship. My lord, I am
Now you come to terms.
I am humbly
You
praying.
have got to pray.
My lord, I
You
am
cannot
humbly,
dictate the court.
not only praying, but humbly praying. I am humbly praying before Lord. My lord, kindly 103. My lord, kindly 103. My lord, kindly see. My lord, kindly, I shall be. My sir, I shall difficult. My lord, I am humbly praying before your lordship. No, my
there
lord,
is
humbly
nothing,
praying before your
there
lordship.
is nothing wrong in the, in the.
There is an order. My lord, kindly, my lord, kindly. My lord, kindly 103. My lord, page 103. My lord, there is an order that police will take step that no, to maintain the nature and character of the property. My lord, kindly, my lord, kindly. My lord, once, my lord, kindly, once. My lord, kindly, once. My lord, don't annoy me with my lord, kindly. I am apologized. My lord, I am apologized before your lordship. My any conduct, if your lordship. My lord, kindly 103. My lord, kindly 103. My lord, kindly 103. My lord, once. My lord, 103. Once. My lord, once. My lord, 103. Once. My lord, kindly see 103 once. That order is required to be maintained. My lord, 103. My lord, police has been directed to status quo as regards nature and character of the fraud.
The adjourned date.
Yes.
Yes, still adjourned date. But that has been extended, my lord, 30th of May. And my lord, kindly consider the Supreme Court decision. My lord, kindly consider. My lord, kindly consider the Supreme Court decision. My lord, kindly.
It
My lord,
should not
Supreme
be.
Court has says, my lord, if the interim order is there without. My lord, kindly. Otherwise, my lord, they will demolish immediately after 31st. My lord, after 31st, they will demolish. My lord, kindly visualize the situation. My lord, they will demolish. My lord, kindly consider the situation.
If there is any interim order,
My lord, they will demolish. My lord, interim order has not been extended after 31st March, May. It is still 31st May. My lord, kindly visualize. My lord, kindly visualize.
Petitioner
They will
doesn't
demolish it,
deserve, doesn't deserve. There are many things I can submit on this. Much obliged.
Was supposed to appear, but since he couldn't do it due to some emergency, I am instructed to appear.
No, but your main
Much-
file is not here. Will you do it on third? We'll make it.
Your Lordship,
Your main file.
Your Lordship, can it be passed over for a while?
It's the main file नहीं तो आशा नहीं तो. Do it on third then.
Your Lordship, today is the last.
Item number 3.
Otherwise, we will fall into contempt.
In item number 3, I am appearing on behalf of the respondent, my lord. There is no such urgency in this matter, my lord. The matter could be taken up after the vacation, my lord.
Your Lordship, that cannot be done because today is the last day.
What is
My
the?
lord,
Yes, I'll tell you, Your Lordship. The respondent was the director of the NIL, the National Institute of Locomotive Disorders Institution. Disorder. So he was all in all during his tenure. Everything was in his control. And in the Patna unit, there are severe irregularities. There was
no disciplinary.
of funds. And we submitted that before the learned single bench. And without considering this, we are not allowed to file an affidavit in opposition. We are
Where is
asked,
the order of the single bench?
Your Lordship.
Where is the order of the single bench? Yeah, 75.
My lord, page 81. 81.
Can it protect? You have been at the 10 class.
81.
No, chicken armor submission. On the first page, Your Lordship, third paragraph.
No.
Preliminary inquiry was completed. It was found that he was directly connected with all the irregularities in the partner. And it was also found that he suppressed all the relevant documents during his tenure. After his superannuation, the documents surfaced and further inquiry was directed. I have all the letters from the ministry, Your Lordship, annexed here. There's a special audit report there. There are special instructions from the ministry.
Have you proceeded till date?
No, my lord.
No, my lord. No, my lord.
Have you taken any?
No, it is about to begin. I submitted.
About to be.
Preliminary inquiry has been completed. The inquiry has been completed. And in the order, it is said that unblemished career report. It is not so, Your Lordship.
My lord.
And the order itself is contradicted.
No, you go before the regular bench.
Your Lordship, till then there may be a short stay because today it is expiring, Your Lordship.
File permit.
Regular bench. Regular bench. A short stay, Your Lordship.
No. Nothing is before the court. Nothing was before the learned single judge.
My lord.
No, Your Lordship. I'll show Your Lordship.
You have not proceeded. You have not proceeded, sir.
We are not given any chance at the very first instance at the interlocutory
We are not
stage.
disposing of
Your
the.
Lordship, at the interlocutory stage, without giving us any chance.
By
to
this
file
time, you
affidavit.
do something and produce before the regular court. Produce something for
Grateful.
the court to act.
Your Lordship.
For every employee, this will happen.
No, not
At the time of if a person.
Your Lordship, kindly allow us to file affidavit in opposition before the learned single bench.
Right now, we are not doing anything, sir. You do something. You will produce some letters, enclose that. That is what you are wanting to do.
These are enclosed in the.
These are enclosed. You have taken steps.
Couldn't pay him.
Yes, my lord. 31st of March 2023.
He retired in December 2023.
31st December 2023, my lord.
After that,
go before the regular bench. Take steps and go before the regular bench. At least
Your Lordship, kindly
the
allow,
stay application.
kindly allow not to initiate the contempt proceedings.
Contempt List the
Your Lordship, the impact of the irregularities
before the regular bench.
more than 9.5
I am not
crores.
granting any reason as the main fight is not available from the court. I am not granting any reason. In the meantime, do something specific, sir. You are not doing something. You are using the courts as a tool.
Your
We
Lordship,
have no issues, sir. If
preliminary
the proper
is
documents are
completed.
before us.
Preliminary inquiry is completed, Your Lordship.
Grateful, my lord. Grateful.
Four.
My lord, I am for the appellant.
Yes. Have you served?
Well, I have served, but unfortunately, those have not reached to them.
Do it on third. এটা শোন না এটা অর্ডার পাস করতে হবে
formal order
অর্ডার পাস করতে হবে না জয়ন্ত সামন্ত আছে আচ্ছা as submitted by the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant oblique state of West Bengal, that service has not been completed, but there is urgency in the appeal. List the appeal before the regular bench on before the vacation bench on 3rd of June 2020. Next is also same.
No.
Next is
Next, already been served.
5.
It has already been served. This is my served.
Where are they?
My lord,
Five, I am for the respondent writ petitioner.
Yes.
312 days delay. Now, how the urgency is to move the before the vacation bench?
Yes, sir.
There is no explanation in the Section 5 application.
Very good. You file your affidavit in opposition to the Section 5 application?
I do.
Yes, that is.
The chain of content we have to file.
Respondent number 5.
All the
Five.
respondent.
You see the
Respondents.
number of employees are deprived from taking gratuity.
You file your affidavit. Now we are not passing any orders, sir. You use আচ্ছা জানি না, আপনি আপনি একটাও দিচ্ছেন, আমার বেশি লাগছে, আপনি কিন্তু aid for the appellant. Evidence service
I have filed.
service file be kept with the record. Aid for the appellant oblique set of assessment all is for condonation of delay.
Can one
In CN1 of 2025, an objection has been raised on behalf of the
read petitioners, respondents, my lord.
Respondents. Acha. In view of the preliminary objection taken on the grounds of condonation of delay, these petitioners are directed to file their affidavit in opposition in respect of CN1 of 2025. How much? 4 weeks?
4 weeks after vacation. But this is the nothing has been explained.
I will satisfy.
Why we
सब कुछ बोले opposition pending আছে কিন্তু
by 4th of July 2025, affidavit in reply if any
2 weeks, my lord. 2 weeks, my lord.
by 18th of July 2025. Let the appeal appear before the regular bench in the week commencing from 21st, along with the application for condonation of delay, in the week commencing from 21st of July 2000.
But one thing, my lord, may I urge, my lord, as my learned
application
friend is appearing, my lord, the contempt they have not filed, but they have
nothing. For 312 days delay, now the what is the content that let him pay?
600, 300. Now
312 days.
Yes, now in the initial stage, my learned friend said 600 days delay, my lord. But let there be an undertaking that they will not proceed with the
Nothing. What is undertaking? After 1 year, my lord, after hearing the petitions, the judgment has been delivered.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Item number 6. Lord, I am appearing for 8 minutes.
6, 7, 8. Which one?
6, 7.
Actually,
Item number 7. For purpose, sir.
It's your application only.
It's my application only.
No records are there because there is a defect in the LCR. It has gone back. And we have not been able record actually to. When do you want? Regular bench or
No, next circuit bench.
Next
Vacation bench.
But the same thing will happen. How can it be, sir? Because the records will not be during the vacations. How are you going to get the records? Otherwise, I gave direction to bring the record. Not possible.
Term imprisonment period. We are already in custody for 4 years, 5 months.
That is the regular bench will obviously understand. এটা কিছু করা যাবে না, রেগুলার বেঞ্চে একটা ভিউ আছে, আমাদের সরা অন্যায় হবে। হ্যাঁ, list the application. You are in item number
7.
অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা কত নাম্বারটা কি নামটা বুঝলো, সব দিতে হবে না আমাকে। এই যেটার জন্য এসছে লিস্টে কেন এসছে? পেপার বুকটা কোন অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটার জন্য এসছে লিখতে হয়েছে কোথায়? কত না 351 351 application 1 Disposal ID? Disposal ID granted? Sure. বুঝতে অ্যাপিল বেঞ্চে এত কিছু এটা করলে ডিলে হয়ে যাবে বাবু তৈরি করা List the connected application. List the application for bail in connection with the appeal along with the memorandum of appeal PRA DB 351 of 2024 before the regular bench. I mean, না এই সবকটা দিয়ে ওর মধ্যে একটা অর্ডারই করে সব একটাই অর্ডার সব
7 item number 7 হচ্ছে 351 ওইটাকে to be followed by
এত কিছু নেই
না 9টা থেকে 11 10 আর 11
10
Item 10. 10 I am for the appellant petitioner. Well, the conviction under section 21C and 29 of the NDPS Act, the alleged recovery.
Where is the state case?
Yes, sir, Miller.
Sir, again, a fresh notice. I'm keeping it on third.
Mr. Rana Mukherjee, learned ABP was.
So on third, it will appear.
I'll just try to inform him. Yes.
Learned aid, advocate aid for the appellant is directed to serve a notice upon the office of the public prosecutor.
But since Rana Mukherjee is appearing also,
Upon the office of the public prosecutor, full stop, list the appeal along with the connected application on 3rd of June, 3rd of June 2025.
Open window?
Next. এবার ডিটেকটিভ কেন কি হয়েছে 11
এটা আমি জানি না এখন ফাইল দেখিনি
What is wrong with your matter? Defective? Why is it defective?
No, in the memo of appeal, my lord, the order details has been mentioned. Only that's to be struck out in the my lord, cost title.
R1.
Service complete.
Yes, they are on caveat. They were.
Mr. Thakkar, you are appearing.
Yes, my lords, please. I appear for the respondent number 1. My lord.
Yes.
Respondents given.
Forever 2 and 3. Bank.
Oh, bank.
Have been served with the copy last evening.
Huh?
Have been served with the copy last evening.
So what you want to tell us? Monday you will do.
But if
what you are ready today, you want to do key, scale something.
My lord, in fact, my lord, there is no my lord, prayer, my lord, so far as they are concerned in my appeal. Because they will be supporting
ready.
Yes.
You are ready.
Yes, please.
You are the affected respondent.
I am the affected.
In fact, the bank will be supporting us.
It's
a suit was filed by my learned friend clients, my lord, the Julian Day Trust. My lord, suppressing material facts, my lord, I'll come later. My lord, what happened in this case, my lord? In 2021, a property was sold by the IDBI, by the Indian Overseas Bank, my lord, under the Securitization Act. My lord, there was an auction. My lord, the appellant was the highest bidder. My lord, their sale was confirmed by issuance of the sale certificate sometimes in 2021. My lord, 11th October 2021. Page 39 is the sale certificate, my lord, was of 30th June 2021, page 34. 36, 39 is the deed. that was also executed in 2021. Now, after that, it's a vacant land. Now, the many problems started creating because some persons tried to grab this property since it is a vacant land. First, somebody claimed to be a tenant of 600 square feet. They filed a suit. Against that, appeal was preferred. Ultimately, those suits were withdrawn. Sometimes in September, most probably Julian they was also defrauded by someone claiming that they can get them this property. They took money, they lodged an FIR, and thereafter, what they did, they demolished a part of the boundary wall and allowing their students to play in the property. That was objected to by notice dated 30th October 2023. It was replied to by the Julian Day, claiming that they are the tenants first, and that there was an MOU, they paid money to third party, then a suit was filed by my client.
Where is the jurisdiction?
I'm sorry?
Jurisdiction of which court?
Alipur court.
So why is
first appeal?
Why is this Purulia written over here?
Purulia.
Government should take it.
Purulia लिखा है?
Where is the original certified copy? Where is the original certified copy?
Certified copy memo there. But order that has been Just kindly take page.
You got the certified copy?
Must be. No certified copy. The server copy, it should be South 24 Pargana. South 24 Pargana, Alipur South 24 Pargana is there.
But then how can a government seal be like that, sir?
That's the mistake committed by the learned judge.
Bring the certified copy, do it, sir. I'm not feeling confident.
Just hear me 1 minute. 1 minute. Well, what happened, we filed a suit. Initially, there was no identity injunction. Then we preferred an appeal. Initially, appellate court granted injunction. They moved the divisional applications. It was set aside, remanded back. The appellate court finally granted an injunction in our favor. They moved the division before the High Court. High Court did not interfere with that order. All these facts were suppressed. They filed a suit in May 2025. That is the in the suit they.
But who filed? They means who?
The respondent number, Mr. Thakur's client.
No,
Julian Day.
Julian Day.
No, who is the who is the applicant in this order?
The applicant is Julian Day.
Wait, so who is appearing for Julian Day?
I am appearing.
You have a Julian Day.
But in the right hand side, page 495, it is rightly mentioned. Typographical error.
So what is the consent Mr. Thakkar is giving?
My lord?
He said that you will be supporting him.
No, my lord. He says the bank will support him. He says the bank will support him.
You are the tenant.
I am the tenant. I am the tenant, my lord.
You will be opposing him too.
Yes, please, my lord.
Bring the certified copy. I'm keeping it on Monday. Please bring the certified copy, sir.
Right hand side, kindly see the order. Right hand side. Right hand side. It's rightly written. The same order, same page.
But still, the records must be straight, sir. It has come to my knowledge, sir.
Same page, right hand side. It's the Alipur court. Everything has been written.
I understand that, sir. But then
they initially claimed tenant. But in my suit, they suppressed the order of the appellate court. They suppressed the order of the divisional court, order of this honorable court. The suit is barred by section 34 of the.
You bring the certified copy.
I can show it from the laptop, my lord.
Bring the certified copy, sir.
We
granted you leave without certified copy.
Yes.
But the fact remains, if the original copy is mistaken, what can we do? Asha, petitioner is directed to produce a certified copy of the order dated 21/5/2025. Can you produce on Monday?
Third, my lord. Monday is probably the court is opening.
Tuesday, on 3rd. Asha. Learned advocate aid for the appellant submits that he would take efforts to obtain the copy by the within the next date fixed before the vacation may. Accordingly list the appeal on 3rd of June 2020.
Leave may be granted to correct the my lord, cost title of the memo of appeal.
Asha, leave is granted aid to the advocate on record of the appellant to correct the cost title in the memorandum of appeal.
The memorandum.
এটা ভালো মামলা ছিল, কি করা যেত?
পুরুলিয়া থেকে এসছে
Have not.
আমিও দেখিনি
মামলাটা ভালো ছিল। তোমার মামলা আমার মামলা ধরে নিয়ে চলে এসো নাকি? স্বপন ব্যানার্জি মেনশন করেছে বলে আমার ডিটারমিনেশন সব ম্যাডামের কাছে পাঠিয়ে দাও। ম্যাডাম কারেক্ট করে আমাকে এই